Welcome back, guys, to another video. This is Chilic, also known as Luis. This video, I'm stating that I do apologize for the workwear I'm wearing. Moving forward, the big news is that I'm going to just do minimal voice, going to do text on the bottom of the video, and that will be going forward from now. The series I'm going to be starting, which is pretty big. I'm really excited for you all to be on this journey. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I've been planning it behind the scenes. I've not told nobody, haven't told you. So yeah, I'm excited. I've wrote a plan, script, map, everything. Thumbnails are in the works, but everything's written down. Action is need to be taken, and I'm ready for it. I really am. I'm ready for y'all to see the fruits of my labors. And I hope you guys enjoy. I really do.